From fragrance bottles to the box you poured your cereal out of this morning, smart packaging is everywhere. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Blue Bytes YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into all things packaging. Here we have divided this topic into 3 sections. First, we'll talk a little bit about the evolution of packaging to see how we got to today's smart packaging. Second, we'll answer what is smart packaging. And third, we'll show some examples of smart packaging experiences in action. If you want to skip ahead to a specific section or go back and review, we've provided a link to each section in the description below. Ready to become an expert in smart packaging? Just keep watching. First, let's talk a little bit about the evolution of smart packaging. Originally, packaging was meant to be purely functional. Its job was to simply contain, preserve, and protect the products inside it, primarily during transport. Packaging evolved rapidly when the Industrial Revolution brought the possibility of mass-produced products. The first half of the 20th century saw the development of new packaging methods like cardboard boxes and plastics. Manufacturers saw the possibility to use packaging to reflect the value of the products inside them. Take Tiffany's iconic blue box, for example. It is as famous as the jewelry it holds. As more products lined the shelves across the world, packaging branding became more and more important to sell products. Companies began branding their packaging by adding all sorts of things. So, what exactly is smart packaging? In basic terms, smart packaging is any packaging that has functionality beyond its original use, and it is typically divided into 2 sections. The first being active packaging, and the second being intelligent packaging. Let's start off by talking a little bit about active packaging. Active packaging describes packaging that not only holds a product, but improves the product itself. Antimicrobial food containers are a great example of active packaging because the containers both hold and protect the products inside them. Now, let's move on to intelligent packaging. Intelligent packaging is packaging that is capable of intelligent functions, like the ability to sense that the product or packaging has changed in some way. An example of this is packaging that is able to monitor and indicate the freshness of the food it holds during transport and storage. Now, let's dive into a subset of intelligent packaging, connected packaging. Connected packaging is packaging that integrates technology like NFC tags or QR codes to perform a certain function. Brands can leverage these technologies on their packaging to present branded digital content to consumers. Consumers that can scan the NFC or QR code with their phones activate digital experiences that allow them to get exclusive content, purchase something, or even authenticate a product, and much, much more. Brands can greatly benefit from this by creating a stronger, more direct sense of connectivity between their consumers and them. Now that you're familiar with connected packaging, let's go over some of the ways smart packaging is being leveraged today to better engage consumers. As we mentioned earlier, there are many different types of digital experiences that can be generated with just the tap of a phone. So the possibilities that live in smart packaging are practically endless. So what are some of these endless possibilities, you ask? With NFC, products can be turned into a game. Take the new Hot Wheels ID toy cars, for example. Once you download the Hot Wheels ID app and tap your phone to your car, users can digitally race on different tracks, compete in challenges, and even join leaderboards. The NFC sticker inside the car can track laps, lap times, and speed directly to your phone from the physical racetrack, connecting digital and physical gameplay. Smart packaging can also allow consumers to register a product, purchase something online, and even unlock exclusive content. Check out these Adidas Air and Kai Speed Factory sneakers. They have an NFC chip embedded right into the tongue of the shoe. Once you tap your phone to it, it takes you to a website featuring exclusive content. Tutorials can be embedded into products and packaging. Have you ever needed help using a product? Take a look at the experience generated by tapping a phone directly onto this makeup powder. Consumers can instantaneously learn not only how to properly apply the product, but can also receive makeup tips, check out other colors or shades it comes in, and even shop similar products. Smart packaging experiences can also include product authentication, feedback, and storytelling. These innovative and dynamic experiences add significant value to products and allow brands to connect with their consumers at a level they never have before. And there you have it. We've covered all things packaging, we've showed you digital experiences in action, and we even gave you a bit of a history lesson. We hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to ask us any questions you might have in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Until then, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.